Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Sohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make 8-pin relay with timer wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. DP-MCB circuit breaker, differential switch, indicator lamp 1, indicator lamp 2, stop switch, start switch, 8-pin relay, timer 1, timer 2, phase connection input to DP-MCB circuit breaker, neutral connection input to DP-MCB circuit breaker, output connection from DP-MCB to connect differential switch, phase connection from differential switch to stop switch, output connection from stop switch to connect start switch, output connection from start switch to connect 8-pin relay, again connect timer 2, output connection from timer 2 to connect indicator lamp 2, another connection from lamp 2 timer 1, output connection from timer 1 to connect indicator lamp 1, another connection from stop switch to connect 8-pin relay, neutral connection output from differential switch to connect indicator lamp 1 and 2, neutral connection input to timer 2 and timer 1, neutral connection to 8-pin relay. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friends, share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.